Hello and welcome to another Vaultuz tutorial. This one is about expenses and subscriptions. You can add expenses via the quick menu on the dashboard or from the quick menu in the navigation pane. I'm going to register an expense. Let's add a new one. Select the date of purchase. Put in the name of the expense. I bought some paintbrushes. Then select the type of the expense. For example, this would be goods, but you could also register expenses on services and subscriptions, which we'll cover in a minute. So I'm going to select goods. I'm going to set the unit cost for each of these paintbrushes. So I bought a pack of paintbrushes and they were £5 per pack, but I bought 2 packs. I'm going to register it that way. I can then associate this purchase with a particular item. For example, if I bought specific paintbrushes for a certain piece I'm working on. For an event, if I'm using them at a workshop, or I can associate them with a partner. I'm just going to associate them with an item because I use those on this piece. You can add notes in here, such as VAT numbers or where you've kept the receipt. If you've got an invoice to hand, you can upload it as a file. And there's also this safety flag. For example, if you need to record information about your piece that includes anything that hits EU regulations. Okay, a new line has appeared in the expenditure, and you can see it's been flagged, as I did so earlier, the date, type, and the cost. I can edit it here. I could delete it completely. I can search through my expenditures with this search. I can also export a list of all my expenditures, but I can also import them too. This button allows for an import. It tells you the format in which you need to upload the CSV in. Okay, now let's talk about subscriptions. Subscriptions are slightly different because you need to register each subscription you have, and then every time the expense occurs, you add it in as an expense. Let's give you an example. You can access subscriptions from the quick menu in the dashboard or the quick menu in the navigation pane. Let's add a subscription in here. Okay, the first one we're going to add in is Klaviyo. We use that for our emails. I signed up to Klaviyo in February, on February the 1st. Each month it costs me £20, so I'll choose the drop down for month. You can add additional notes in here for your subscription, and then you can click add. From this pop-up you can edit your subscription or delete it completely. So my subscription charged me this month. Let's add that in as an expenditure. Let's say it charged me in March. I'll add in its name, but this is subscriptions. I'll select the subscription we've just set up. I'll add in the price. We know each month it charges us £20, but sometimes certain subscriptions can have extras and it could vary in cost each month. You can associate it with an item, an event or a partner, add additional notes or upload a file. Okay, that's all there is for expenses and subscriptions. Thanks very much for your time. See you in the next tutorial.